Hey, it was July 16th, 2020, and my car is doing something weird. It's not shifting the greatest all the time. It is a Impala 2007, but I want to get on video what it's doing, and it's just a sound. I don't know if it's a transmission or what it is. I do have a bad wheel bearing, but here we go. As I'm driving, it just makes a clunk. That. That. Oh, maybe it's only happening in first. So, just slow down. Alright. Didn't do it this time. Alright, let's see. Stop. Oh, I did it a couple